Google Docs allows users to easily publish their work online. This is a great way to display student work so that members of the community can view the output of student effort. To publish online, simply go under the File menu in Google Docs. Choose the Publish to the Web option near the bottom of the menu. Before publishing, click on Publish Content and Settings. This allows you to choose the option of automatically updating the published content if the document is updated. This is the default setting and is already checked. You can also select the option to require users within your organization to log in to view the document. Next, choose how you wish to publish the content. You can choose Link, in which you can copy the URL to share with users of your choice. If you are familiar with web design, you can choose Embed, which will provide the HTML code to copy and paste into a web page document.